Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I'm going to teach you how to fix Instagram comments not showing on iPhone. Let's get started without wasting any time. So here you can see that the number is showing, but when you click on the comment icon you don't get any comment. Let's fix this problem. So guys, to fix this problem, first make sure your iPhone is connected to the internet and your Wi-Fi or cellular data connection is stable and strong, whatever you are using. So you have checked your internet and your internet is good and stable. Then go to the App Store. Click on the profile icon on the right side. Here, find Instagram and then tap on it. If Instagram is going to be updated, update it. So guys, sometimes this problem occurs due to the internet not working or due to using an old version of the application. So first of all, you have to check your internet. If your internet is working properly, then you have to update your Instagram application. After that, you will start seeing comments in Instagram. If this video helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.